Create Spark DataFrame from Pandas DataFrame. I'm trying to build a Spark DataFrame from a simple Pandas DataFrame. These are the steps I follow. Till this point everything is okay. The output is root vertical bar letters, string, nullable equals true. The problem comes when I try to print the data frame. This is the result. An error occurred while calling a 158.collect.python, org.apache.spark.spark exception, job aborted due to stage failure, task 0 in stage 5.0 failed 1 times, most recent failure, lost task 0.0 in stage 5.0, TED5, localhost, executor driver, org.apache.spark.spark exception, error from Python worker, error executing Jupyter command pyspark.daemon, erno2, no such file or directory Python path was. These are my Spark specifications. Spark session, Hive. Spark context. Spark UI. Version, v2.4.0. Master, local. Upname, pyspark. This are my venv. Export pyspark_python equals Jupyter. Export pyspark_driver_python_ops equals lab. Fact. As the error mentions, it has to do with running PySpark from Jupyter. Running it with pyspark_python equals Python 2.7 and pyspark_python equals Python 3.6 works fine.
Import and initialize FindSpark, create a Spark session and then use the object to convert the Pandas data frame to a Spark data frame. Then add the new Spark data frame to the catalog. Tested and runs in both Jupyter 5.7.2 and Spider 3.3.2 with Python 3.6.6.